I'm not endorsed by anybody. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I don't have enough subscribers to even be sponsored by anybody. But I will have to say this stuff right here works pretty darn good. I've so far got about, I don't know, 6 or 8, maybe 10 bolts out with this. I took out 3 of them in here. 2 screws were completely fused, and honestly, I guess it does work. I guess the cold and penetrate works pretty good. So CRC, you make excellent products. Just wanted to say that. So if anybody out there's watching, you make some excellent products. I've used your brake cleaner. I've used your what is it, rust inhibitor. I've used knocker loose. I've used all kinds of different ones, and they all are great. There's some I haven't even used yet. I picked up, and I think I have some like electronic cleaner and some lubrication and stuff. So yeah, if you're thinking about using this, I would say use it. I mean, I think it's a pretty damn good product so far. I think the juice flying out of it's a little bit of a waste, but you know what? Saved me a headache of getting out bolts on the rack here, and this little bolt here came out, no problem. So yeah, I'm not, like I said, I'm not you can make up your own mind, but I've used it. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's questionable. Like if I'm guessing that this is my theory. I have some bolts that I have to get out that are on plastic, and I'm thinking this is what I'm going to use it for, to take off some bolts that are attached, because I have a few bolts that I'm going to try them out that I can't heat the bolt. And freezing the bolt might be a better option, and lubricating it. So I'm going to try this next on some plastics that I can't heat, that'll melt the entire plastic, because I have a 4-wheeler over there that has 2 bolts holding the bottom plastic on the footrest, and I need to take those bolts out, and there's only 2 ways I can think of getting them out. Freezing it, drilling a hole and retapping it, or just cutting the whole fender off. And there's no replacement fenders, so I'm going to freeze it and penetrate and freeze it, and do a couple times until I can loosen it. But this so far, I froze the little tiny bolts there. I tried with a screwdriver. I couldn't turn it with my hand. I froze one bolt, and nowhere to fly. I heard it came apart, and it released, I guess, the crud, and the bolt was seriously rusty. So yeah, it works. Check it out. I think I paid, I don't know, $6.99 for it, and I went back to get more. I picked up another one, and there's no more left. So at the store where I bought them. So if you like it, stay tuned. I'll show you some more. Thanks for watching.